Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last series of video, we have learned about joins. Today we are going to learn about order by clause. This is also one of the important topic in SQL, and actually this is easy, but we use order by clause at many places. I have written some examples here. I'll explain you all the examples one by one. Please watch my complete video. You will get to know a lot of things about order by clause. Okay, so let's take the first example. This is a simple order by clause. I'm just taking the column name here and I'm just doing order by department ID. Let's take this example and control C, control paste it in our SQL workshop where we used to practice the examples. So run this query. If I'm not writing anything here, I'm sorting this value in ascending order according to ascending order of department ID. If I want to order, sort it in descending order, I'll write DESC. Okay, run this query. So as you can see, we are getting null value, then all the, this is a higher value of department ID, then it gets sorted here, and we are getting this value as you can see, 100, then 90, then 80 and all. Okay, and when I'm not writing anything here, it means it gets sorted in ascending order. Let me run this query again. As you can see that this is a list value of department ID, then it gets sorted in ascending order. Okay, or you can write here ASC as well. This is also gonna store sort the value in ascending order. No any changes? Hope the very basic concept of order by clause is clear to you. Now let's jump to another example. This is the second example. Here I have done order by only one column. What I'm gonna do order by two columns, or you can use multiple columns, 3, 4, 5, whatever, it's up to you. Okay, so let's take this example. I'm explaining it very fastly because we have a lot of examples here to explain. Okay, so what I'm doing order by first name, means order by first name ascending order, then last name ascending order. Let's take this example, run this query. So we have Adam, Alina, Alberto, Alexander, 2 times Alexander. Okay, and all the first name gets sorted in ascending order. Now let's check out this last name here. Alexander, this H alphabet come first, then K, so this is coming first, then this is coming last. Okay, but okay, this is what actually when we use two columns, actually you can use multiple columns. First it will get sorted in according to this column, then it will get sorted according to this column, then whatever you'll write, multiple columns you can give here. Okay, hope the second example is also clear to you. Let's jump to third example. Yeah, here what I'm going to tell you, that you can use order by the number of the column. Okay, I've copied this and I'm going to paste it in SQL workshop, control V. So when I'm saying one, order by one, it means first name 2, last name is 2, hire date is 3, salary is 4, department ID is 5. So this is how this thing work. When I'm writing 1 and I'm not writing anything, it's gonna sort it in ascending order. Let's run this query. So it gets sorted according to ascending order. Okay, I'll write 2 means last name. So let's check last name, it gets sorted in ascending order. Okay, all right, let's take 3 means hire date, so it gets sorted according to the ascending order and according to hire date. Okay, now let's take 4 means salary. So see, salary is something like this, some 17,000, then 8,300 something, it is coming like this. I'll do sort, it gets sorted in the salary. Okay, now when I'll take 5, it means department ID. Okay, but what if I'll take 6? If I'll take 6, it's gonna throw error. What error we will get? Because we have only 5 columns here, we are saying 6. Let's run this query. Order by item must be the number of select list expression, means whatever we are giving here, maximum 1, minimum 1 to maximum 5 is possible. Actually this error means we have to take 1 at least, or maximum 6. We cannot maximum 5. We cannot take 6, 7 or 8, or we cannot take 0 as well. Let's take 0 and run this query. We are getting the same error because we have to give number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, so you can use number 1 or 2 or 3, and you can use DESC as well. It's gonna get this value in descending order. Let's run this query. As you can see, we are getting in descending order. Okay, hope second example is clear to you. Sorry, third example is clear to you. Now let's check fourth example. Multiple columns with different order. I'll explain you this, no problem. Let's copy this and paste in our SQL workshop. Control V. Yeah, so what I'm going to show you that we normally used to do, we are doing order by first name. Okay, when I'll do order by first name, it get sorted in the ascending order of the first name. Okay, when I'll do order by department ID as well, so it will first sort according to first name, then it will sort according to department ID. Let's run this query. As you can see, 50, 50, 80, 30, so it gets sorted according to first name first, then it comes to department ID, and it is sorting here. Okay, but what if best to take the example of last name. Actually, last name, run this. So it gets sorted according to the first name first, then last name. But I want first name in ascending order, then last name in ascending order, because we are not writing anything here. Okay, but what I want last name in descending order. Okay, so if you'll observe here Alexander Hanald is coming first, because H comes first, then K comes actually. Okay, so if I'll do last name DESC, then this will come first, then after this will come. Okay, so I'll run this query. So as you can see, who is coming first, then Hanal is coming. Okay, so hope the example is clear to you. You can use this thing in this way as well. You can write first name DESC, then last name. So it will sort first name in descending order, then last name in ascending order. Let's run this. As you can see, this is in descending order and the last name in ascending order. Hope the example is clear to you. Jump to another example. Yeah, I have explained this thing to you. I have explained this and this both. Now let's come to another example, sixth example. Yeah, null, we want to adjust null actually. Let's copy this query. I'll show you an example, you'll get to know in better way. Control V. Yeah, so what we do, we are not writing anything, means we are sorting according to ascending order. So we are doing order by department ID, ascending order. Okay, 10, 20, 30, this is coming something like this. Okay, what if I'll write DESC, it will get sorted in descending order, as you can see, but the problem is null is coming first and rest of the things are perfect, but null is coming first. What I want to do, I want to get sorted it in descending order, but I don't want null. So what I'll do, I want this null at the last of the record. So what I'll do nulls last. That's it. This is gonna take this null out from here, and it will arrange it at the last of the record. Okay, see, so null is not here, it get out from here, and it gets stored at the last place. Okay, so this is how we can control the null value. Sometime you may get this question in interview as well. When we do order by descending, where we will get the null, either at the first or at the last. You can say no, when we'll do null by order by descending order, we'll get null at first, but we can control that null as well using this thing. Hope this example is clear to you. Let's jump to another example. Yeah, this is what I have explained, null last. Let's jump to another example here. Yeah, the functions actually. Let me copy this and Control C and paste in our SQL workshop. What I'm doing here, I'm going to select these things, and I'm doing length of first name. Whoever is not knowing about length function, please refer my video. I'll give you a link in the description below. You'll get to know about length function. Okay, so normally, just for the information, I'll let you know that what length does, it just calculates the number of characters of the data. If I'm doing length of first name, it means it will calculate number of characters here and here and here. Okay, so this is what length does actually. So what I'm doing here, I'm doing length, order by length function. So it will count the characters, and according to that it will sort in ascending order. Okay, so let's take the run this query. So as you can see, we have two characters, three. So according to that it will get, well, we are getting the value in ascending order. You can write DESC here as well and run this. As you can see, this is a maximum number of characters: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 characters. So all the 11 characters will get sorted first, then 10, then 9, then 8, and so on. Alright, so you can use the function here, you can, or length function or any kind of function, or you can create your own function as well. Just create your own function and you can use that function here. Okay, in order by it accepts actually. So this is what we can use, how we can use this thing. Okay, hope this example is also clear to you, and let's jump to another example. Yeah, this thing, this is actually one of the most mistaken public mistakes here actually. I'll show you. Normally we used to mistake at this place. What we are doing, suppose I'm writing select first name from employees ordered by last name. Actually we are not selecting last name, but we want to order it by last name. So what if I'll run this query, I'll get something like this. It get ordered according to last name, but we are not selecting last name, so last name is not here. But what if I'll do select distinct first name from employees ordered by last name. Okay, so just how many of you are not knowing about distinct? Let me know in comment box. I'll explain about this distinct in brief in my some other tutorial. All right, so if I'll do something like this and then I'll run this query, I'll get an error, not selected expression, because normally what we do, until we will not take last name here, we will get this error actually. Okay, so I have written, now I'll do run. So see, we didn't get the error and we are getting the value perfectly. Okay, so whenever we are using distinct and we are doing order by some other column, so just to avoid this error, either we have to write the column name or we have to use some subquery to adjust this thing. All right, hope this example is also clear to you. Now come to another example. So as you can see, Alice name, column Alice name. Let's copy this. You can order the thing by column Alice name as well. Let's copy and paste it here. So as you can see, we have these many columns. I have given an alias name to this column, first name. Okay, and I'm doing order by f_n, the alias name of this column. So we can order according to this as well. It will get sorted in ascending order and the alias name will come first, will come here. Okay, so we can use alias name in order by clause, no problem. Hope this example is also clear to you. Now let's jump to another example, the last example. You can use expression in order by clause. Let me copy this and paste in our SQL workshop. So what I'm doing here, I'm writing the column, and here I'm doing select this thing from employees table where order by salary plus 100. I'm not actually selecting salary plus 100, but I'm doing order by salary plus 100. So these kind of expressions are also possible in order by clause. Let's run this query. So as you can see, we have this this value and it gets sorted according to salary plus 100. Hope the concept and the examples are clear to you. For any confusion or any doubt, let me know in comment box, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe the channel. We will have a lot of things to learn in SQL and PL SQL. So please be with me, and thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.